guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show how to create text marking video intro by using InShot app. Let's start. At first you have to open your InShot app here. Now tap on video and then tap on new. In here add a blank screen and then extend it. Now tap on background and then select a white background here. Now add a text here. Write the text that you want to add as your intro and put it where you want to add. Now tap on the check mark and in here extend it. Now export this video, then tap on create new and in here select your original video. Now tap on PIP to add the video that you have exported right now and then extend it to match with the original video. Now tap on animation and in here you guys can choose animation for intro and also for outro. Select the animation that you want to add. And in here tap on blend, then tap on overlay. Customize it according to your need. Now let's zoom it a little wide and put it here. Let's watch the video. So this is how you guys can create text marking video intro by using InShot app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.